The number one styling mistake you are doing with your hair, especially if you have shorter hair types, whether you have a pixie haircut or a texture kind of spiked haircut, and I've seen this time and time again as a stylist with clients over the years, this is what you're doing and this is how you stop doing it and what you should be doing when you're styling your hair. So a lot of times, you may have the tendency, right, when you're styling your hair, putting product in, I'm gonna get a little bit closer here so you can see this. You have a tendency to, instead of creating texture, separation, and volume, you'll take the product, put it in your hands, and you start going like this. Okay, and watch what this does to the hair. What you're doing is you're matting down the hair. Now watch this. If I were to put product in my hands, and I were to use kind of a raking motion like this, and to get that lift and volume, look at the difference. And then I go back in and shape it. Do you see the difference as compared to, just going like this and, that's okay for certain types of looks if you want a more matted type of look. But a lot of times I'm seeing people, just going like this and matting it. And all you're doing is you're not really helping the style at all. You're actually making it, have no sort of style, okay? Again, if you want to have that volume, you want to have that kind of, make the most out of your hairstyle, you need to go in with the product and your hands. Think of your fingers as like a rake, as a comb, as a styling tool. The reason you want to do that is because, as you can see what's happening, when I'm running my fingers through the hair, look at all the volume, the lift, the texture it's getting. Once you have that locked in place, then you can go in with the product and then you can, lightly kind of settle the hair down or tap it down like this. Again, I'm not matting whatsoever. I'm not like just going in like one spot like this and just lightly touching. That just makes the hair very inconsistent. What you need to do is consistently, right, try to add texture and separate and create that movement like so. And it's probably one of the biggest things that I see clients doing. So use your fingers, pretend you're like scratching your head like this, right, your scalp, and you want to lift and get that volume in the hair. You want to get movement in there. You want to get that lift. And then once the hair is like that, then you can go back in and piece it and texturize it and stuff like that. So, it's really important that you understand how to go about styling. You don't ever want to push down or mat down. And that actually, I have so many mannequin heads over here, bear with me, that also goes for, if you've got a longer hairstyle, right? You got a longer hairstyle, the hair is super, super thick. Once you start going like this, unless you want to make it closer to the head, remember, matting makes the hair matted down. If you don't want that, you always want to go in and rake with the fingers like so. Once you start the raking motion, you get that lift and that volume, it's going to completely transform the shape. Then you go back in and make the little changes and tweaks to the style. It's something that over the years I've seen while watching clients demonstrate. I said, let me see you style your hair. And they just start going like, like this. No. You got to get in there and try to mess it up sometimes, and that's when it comes out best. Don't forget, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off of my products, and I have some amazing products right now in my store, some brand new ones, a lot of hair tools like a hair dryer, a smoothing iron, a TikToker kit, and anything over $50. The value has to be over $50 with a discount. You get free shipping in the United States. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.